To find the best public transportation in a given area, start by identifying the region you are interested in and open a web browser to access the Best Places website. Type bestplaces.net in the address bar and press enter to load the homepage. Next, click on the Maps tab and select the public transportation option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can enter the city or zip code of the area you are interested in. Type the location and press enter to load the public transportation map for that area. The map will display the various public transportation options available, including buses, trains, and bike trails. You can zoom in and out of the map to get a closer look at the different routes and stops. You can also click on the individual routes to view more information, such as the schedule and frequency of the service. To get more detailed information, click on the Transit tab to view a list of all the public transportation options in the area, including the route number, destination, and frequency. You can also use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down the results by mode of transportation, route type, and time of day. Additionally, you can use the Trip Planner tool to plan a specific trip. Simply enter your starting and ending points, and the tool will provide you with the best public transportation options, including the route, schedule, and any necessary transfers. It is also a good idea to check the website of the local public transportation agency for the most up-to-date information on schedules, fares, and service alerts. By following these steps, you can easily find the best public transportation options in any given area using the Best Places website.